This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
What is up guys, Aripur is here and welcome to Web Research Volume 1 Finding Company Information for Beginners. In this lecture, I will show you how to find any company directory. At first, you have to open Google Chrome browser. Then you have to type google.com in the address bar. Then press enter to go. Type like that, but you must have to use top or top 100 word in your keyword. Then page up a little bit. If you see like this, you will be sure it will be a directory. Right click on the link. Then click on the open link in a new tab. Just open the tab. Now you can see a directory. In the directory, you can be able to find all of the data which you are searching for. Thanks for watching this video.